It's Tuesday. Started the day off pretty late. I'm trying to get back on routine, trying to start eating better. It's just, I have a lot of things that I'm trying to do that I need to just do. As of today, it's Tuesday. I am going to be making some sample kits for my clients, some lash shampoos or little samples. So cute. I don't know who I saw doing this. It was on TikTok, but I'm gonna give them to all my clients for free with a little spoolie so they can wash their lashes after they're done. And whenever they're ready to come back for some more, they can come purchase some shampoos that I'm going to be getting made. I have to get my stickers made, so I need to go ahead and do that. I also need to get some more ink. And I have a client today at 6 o'clock, so once I'm done making this video, I'm gonna go up there, do her lashes. She already gets her lashes done by me, so it'll be a quick little fill. And then cook some dinner, so I hope you guys are excited to take on this day with me. And that's all I got, so come on. So like I said, these are the mini sample containers. They're so cute, really small, like super small, but I think it's perfect. This should last them about a week. And then it came with these. I have my baggies I'm gonna put my samples in. I got my Prolong lash cleanser concentrate. I'm gonna fill some water in here, and then I got my distilled water, so I'm gonna go ahead and make these and package them together and give one to my first client for today. So I'm excited. Okay, so I went ahead and added 1 part of soap into each container. And we have the perfect little mini lash shampoo. And we got our sample lash care kits ready to go. OMG, so cute. I just gotta put some spoolies in them. And they're good to go. Great little advertising. I love it. I'm back at the salon. My client is gonna be coming here in about 10-15 minutes, so just to get ready, I like to come a lot early, like maybe 30 minutes to an hour early, and I just pre-make some fans. Tonight I'm gonna make some tacos. Can't wait. Sorry, my brain, I'm just like, I have a million things going on in my brain at once. I need to just write it all down in a notebook, but I have her flash map already written out right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some fans, and you guys can watch me do that until she comes, and then we'll get to lashing. Pool party, if this bitch answers. Wish me luck. From here, I spent some time with my friends. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon. Bye.